So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Apple TV remote not charging, battery, cable, reset and pairing. So fix 1 is clean the port. Use a wooden toothpick or plastic tool, gently scrape inside the charging port, remove compressed pocket tint and dust, avoid metal needle or paper clips. Second fix is verify your charging accessories. Plug the cable into a wall adapter, do not use the TV USB port, try a completely different cable, ensure the wall adapter works with other device. Third fix is restart the device remote firmware. Hold the TV button and volume down button together. Keep holding for 5 seconds. Release when the light on your Apple TV box flashes. Wait for the connected message on your screen. Fourth fix is let it charge interrupted. Uninterrupted. Plug the remote into the wall. Leave it around for 30 minutes. Do not press any button while it charges. Fifth fix is check your percentage. Open setting on your Apple TV remote or screen. Go to remote and devices. Select remote. Look for a lightning bolt icon or an increased battery percentage. So thanks for watching.